mold can get anywhere, mildew can get anywhere, and then that makes it for a really smelly area and actually a very toxic area for you and your health, for your family as well. So a big area that's common for mold that is not often talked about is your clothes washing machine. So right now I'm doing a wash, and so I've got these pellets in here right now, and I'm on the tub clean mode, but I paused it for you. So you can get mold all along these gaskets, and they're all inside here. See, ours is clean, okay? That's what you want. And the door, we have a door that allows it to be not fully closed. So you see this gap right here? See, that's what you want too. You don't want to shut your washing machine door all the way when you're not using it. So if you're shutting your door for your washing machine all the way when you're not using it, you're going to be inviting mold and mildew and problems and stinky clothes. And then what are you going to do? You're going to use fresheners for it. Okay? And then you're going to be using those toxic chemicals to mask the smell of mildew. So what I do is I open the door, I crack every time we're not using it. And then also, I picked up these, and these are what I'm using at the moment. You can comment below what you use, but I'm finding these useful. They're safe for water, safe for septic tanks, and you just set your washing machine on, here it is, tub clean mode, okay? So here it is. It's gonna take about an hour and a half to do it. But this is a really important thing that you should be doing probably once a month, once every 2 months for your washing machine. So I got these on Amazon. This is a year pack. I put 2 of these little packets in, and there's just these little pellets. They look like that. And see that black washer side of it? That can be your washing machine drum, and that gets on your clothes. We had a horrible time for a long period of time, and I couldn't figure out what it was, why our clothes stunk no matter what we did. And we don't use toxic detergents. So this is what we use. We use Molly's suds, and I learned about this from Sean Swope's wife. So she's awesome. You can find her Girl Gone Green, Susie Swope. So Girl Gone Green on Instagram. And you also find these recommendations in the appendix of Dirty Jeans, okay? So welcome to my laundry room, and I'm hoping your clothes smell good as well, without any detergents that are toxic or harmful, and also without those stinking dryer sheets that are scented. Do not use those. Those are awful. Your clothes should smell like nothing. So clean isn't a smell good, it's a smell nothing. So keep that in mind. And if you open your washing machine and it smells, that's not good. Pick up some things for washing machine tub cleaning, and give it a go, and tell me what you think. Take care.